Hey guys, I welcome you all to our channel A Word a Day. Today is the last day of our word tour. I hope you have enjoyed this journey, and I think this is the best word to end our journey. It is nostalgia. Nostalgia, meaning affectionate feeling you have for the past, especially for a happy time. You can even describe it as desire to return to a particular past time. Examples: I was nostalgic when I met Indians in USA. I feel nostalgic when I go back to my school memories. Thank you so much for following us every day. If you have not watched the previous videos, then please visit those videos too. The link is in the description below. Do not forget to watch our Sunday special video wherein we'll be having a new discussion and we'll be back with a new theme next week. Don't miss even that. Till then, keep smiling, keep sharing. Thank you.